Did you know that one city fooled Israel's greatest military leader and saved themselves from total destruction? After Joshua destroyed Jericho and Ai, the people of Gibeon were terrified. They knew they were next on his conquest list, but instead of fighting, they came up with a brilliant plan. The Gibeonites put on old torn clothes and patched sandals. They packed dry moldy bread and cracked wineskins. Then they walked to Joshua's camp, pretending to be travelers from a distant land. They told Joshua they had journeyed for months just to make peace with Israel. "Look at our evidence," they said, showing their moldy bread and worn-out supplies. Joshua was completely fooled. He made a peace treaty with them without asking God first. 3 days later, Joshua discovered the shocking truth. Gibeon was right next door, not far away at all, but it was too late. The treaty was binding. Joshua cursed the Gibeonites to be servants forever, cutting wood and carrying water for God's tabernacle. This deception would cause problems for generations, even leading to executions during King David's reign.